Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
In our fast-paced and often chaotic world, there is a deep and a universal human longing for peace, for stillness, and for a sense of inner order. We yearn for a way to quiet the endless chatter of our minds, to soothe our anxious hearts, and to find a moment of pure, simple, and unadulterated presence. For centuries, spiritual traditions around the world have used sacred art as a pathway to this state of deep and a profound meditation. And of all the forms of sacred art, there is none so beautiful, so accessible, and so deeply healing as the mandala. A mandala, which means circle in the ancient Sanskrit language, is a spiritual and a ritual symbol in Hinduism and in Buddhism, representing the universe. It is a geometric design that is meant to draw the eye inward, to quiet the mind, and to lead the practitioner to a state of deep and a profound contemplation. But you don't have to be a Buddhist monk to experience the healing power of the mandala. In recent years, the simple and the beautiful act of coloring mandalas has become a worldwide phenomenon, a beloved practice for people of all ages and of all backgrounds who are seeking a simple and an accessible path to mindfulness, to creativity, and to a deep and a lasting sense of inner peace. In this video, we will be your guide to the healing and the transformative power of coloring mandalas, a simple and a joyful path to a more calm, a more centered, and a more creative view. The magic of coloring a mandala lies in its unique ability to engage both the logical and the creative sides of our brain. The intricate geometric patterns of the mandala appeal to our love of order, of structure, and of logic. And the act of choosing colors and of filling in the shapes appeals to our love of beauty, of creativity, and of self-expression. This whole brain engagement is what makes coloring a mandala such a powerful and an effective form of meditation. It is a practice that is both stimulating and relaxing, both focused and free. It is a way to enter a state of flow, that magical state of being where we are so completely absorbed in an activity that we lose all track of time, of our worries, and of our sense of self. It is a state of pure, simple, and joyful presence. One of the most profound healing benefits of coloring mandalas is its ability to reduce stress and to reduce anxiety. The repetitive and a rhythmic nature of coloring is incredibly soothing to the nervous system. It helps to slow down our heart rate, to lower our blood pressure, and to quiet the body's stress response. As you focus on the simple act of choosing a color and of filling in a shape, you are giving your mind a much-needed break from its endless cycle of worrying, of planning, and of ruminating. You are creating a space for your mind to rest, to relax, and to simply be. It is a form of active meditation that is accessible to everyone, even those who find it difficult to sit still and to quiet their minds in a more traditional meditation practice. Coloring mandalas can also be a powerful tool for unlocking your creativity. Many of us carry around the limiting belief that we are not creative. We may have been told as children that we weren't good at art, or we may simply have lost touch with our own innate creative spark. Coloring mandalas is a gentle and a non-intimidating way to reconnect with this essential part of ourselves. There is no right or a wrong way to color a mandala. There is no pressure to create a masterpiece. It is simply an opportunity to play with color, with shape, and with form. It is a way to express your own unique and a beautiful inner world, without words. And as you allow yourself to play and to experiment, you may be surprised at the beautiful and the unexpected creations that emerge. So, how do you begin? The beauty of coloring mandalas is that it requires very little to get started. All you need is a mandala coloring book, which you can find at any bookstore or online, and a set of colored pencils, of markers, or of crayons. Find a quiet and a comfortable place where you can relax and you won't be disturbed. Put on some calming music, and then simply choose a mandala that speaks to you. Don't overthink it. Just trust your intuition. As you begin to color, let go of any expectations or of any judgments. There is no goal to achieve, no destination to reach. The journey is the destination. Simply focus on the process. Notice the feel of the pencil in your hand. Notice the sound of the color on the page. Notice the simple, a beautiful, and a profound pleasure of bringing this intricate and a beautiful design to life. Coloring mandalas is a simple, a beautiful, and a deeply healing practice that can bring a sense of peace, of joy, and of creativity to your life. It is a way to create a small and a sacred space for yourself in the midst of a busy and a chaotic world. It is a way to connect with your own inner wisdom, with your own inner artist, and with your own deep and a beautiful capacity for healing and for wholeness. So, the next time you are feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, take out a mandala and a set of colored pencils, and give yourself the gift of a few moments of pure, simple, and a beautiful peace. You deserve it as you continue to build freedom fully.